On the last day of November in 2021, an unsettling incident surfaced on social media from a resident in Dallas. She shared through her Twitter account that her home security system, notably a doorbell camera, had consistently recorded a mysterious man lingering outside of her home. This unsettling presence persisted nightly over a 4-week span. In her public post, she voiced her previous attempts to involve local law enforcement, expressing frustration over the situation's unresolved nature. This is what she saw when she reviewed her Ring camera footage.